Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 12. Get ready for the dictation. Start. It would provide them with adequate training to learn about how to look after children and younger babies. It would also provide assistance to the center's workers and a full-fledged training program of the workers has been undertaken. Because this was a new scheme and because it involved the cooperation of a very large number of agencies, it was felt that let the systems be worked out in a small number of blocks, and we have chosen 35 blocks. 20 of these are rural blocks, 10 are in tribal areas, and 5 in urban slums. Stop. This program is being tried out and government would like to expand this scheme to a very large number of other blocks so that we are able to cover hopefully by the 7th plan period every block in the country. This is an important scheme whereby the problems of the rural children and the children belonging to the weaker sections of the community would be looked after from the point of view of health, from the point of view of immunization, and from the point of view of what may be called preschool education or attitude formation, and so on. This program, I am glad to say, has evoked proper response. We invited the medical colleges, and I am glad to say that 27 medical colleges have responded to our invitation. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi is coordinating the work that is being done by the medical colleges for preparing the baseline data about nutrition, about the general health of children and of expectant mothers, and so on. It would also be supervising the implementation of this scheme in other respects so that along with the administrative setup which is looking after this program, there is also an independent organization which can monitor and which can provide expert guidance for the implementation of this particular program. We have also insisted that in each village there should be women organization formed because without involvement of the women of the villages and the localities concerned, no worthwhile program for children is likely to succeed. The progress so far in this regard has been on the whole satisfactory, although I would like greater emphasis being placed by the state government on the setting up of women organizations in each of the villages. The state governments are anxious to set up these organizations as early as possible. Stop.